Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Okay, let's start our lecture. Okay, here today is our first lecture. So it's unit number 1, integers, power and roots. My name is Arsalan Tariq. I'm your mathematics teacher. Okay, before I start, I will ask you a few questions. It's just to let me know that maybe you know these things or not. What is prime number? Any one of you? That I teach you in the class as well. What are prime number? Okay, I hope you know these answers. Okay, prime numbers are those numbers, okay, that has just two factor, one and itself, that are divisible only two numbers. That is, first one is one and the second one is the itself, the number that you write. Okay, so let's suppose I'm talking about 2. So 2, there is no other table except for 1 and itself 2. 2 multiplied by 1, that has 2, and 1 multiplied by 2, that has 2. So only these two numbers has only 2. Let's suppose I'm talking about the biggest number, the highest number, like 11. So 11 is also present in only one table and itself the 11 table. So we have all those number that has only two factors like 1 and itself is called prime number. Now you can see here, these are the example like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29 and so on. Okay, it's not stop here, so there are many more things. Okay, so if I know many of you have a lot of questions like that. No, maybe there are few questions, there are few numbers that look like prime number, but it's not a prime. But remember this thing, prime number has only two factors, they don't have more than two factors. Okay, so I hope you understand this one. Okay, let's talk about the other one. So here is arithmetic with an integers. Okay, so what are integers? Integers are whole numbers. Whole numbers like that start from 0 and that are plus, minus 1, plus, minus 2, 3, like that. All of these. Okay, so these are, and here that you can see here, that is called number line. So here is also right here. You can show the integers on a number lines. Okay, that are all integers. So look at the addition in the box. Here is the box on the right side. The number added by 2 degrees, uh, added to 2 decreases and goes down and by 1 each time. So okay, he's decreasing. Let's start from here. The answer is decreasing as well. So he start first, he's adding, then he is moving down like that. Here all he write 2, and all the time like this they are adding, like 2 plus 3, that is 5, 2 plus 2, that is uh, what we call it, 4, now 2 plus 1, 3, so 0 plus 2, 2, as it is same 1, then 0, then means the number is decreasing. Whenever he is also decreasing, they are decreasing the number, then on the side the number is also decreasing. So question, here is our example, first example. With the help of example I will teach you, and I hope you understand all these thing, and with these example you solve all the remaining question. And other than this, if you have any problem, so you can easily solve these things, because I, inshallah, you will understand these things. Work out this, like here is 3 plus minus 7. Okay, so plus minus here is same like the multiplication, means subtract 7 from 3, means you have 3, you can subtract 7. Why he said like that? Why he never be, actually 7 is look like a bigger number, but it's minus. So when anything have a minus sign, it's mean it's the lowest number. Okay, the smallest number. So minus 3 is smallest than 3. So we subtract 7 from 3. So when we minus this, we will get minus 4 answer. Here you can see, because minus plus minus, that is minus. So as it is same, the things are quite similar like that. Like here is minus, here is minus. So we know that this function minus multiplied by minus, answer is plus, but they are not together. Okay, one minus is here, one minus is here. So minus minus function that we perform is plus, because 5 plus 8, 13. But remember one thing, we're using which sign, either minus or plus. That depend on the number, which number is has a greater number value. Like this one has 8, this one has 5. So which will is greater? So 8 has is a greater number, and this will have a minus sign. So you put minus. Now here these two signs are multiply. So when we multiply these two, minus minus, that is plus. So we not write here minus, we write here plus. We write here minus 3 plus 9. Okay, so then we will solve the next step like that, like he is writing here minus 3 plus 9. So when we solve this, we will get our answer, that is 6. Look at this multiplication here, he's writing the multiplication. So with the help of this, you can easily solve. Either you are using from 3 to 0 or minus 1 to 4. So you will see the pattern is moving down, 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 and like that, so on. Because here you can see the negative integer and positive integers always equal to negative integers. Remember this thing, this is so important thing. And either it's a negative and positive, so we will write, or positive to negative. Okay, if I write this here or this here, so answer must be negative. Now the next one is, if you have two negative integers, so the answer must be positive integers. So here we will see. So here we have positive integers. So here is negative and here is positive. So the answer start from negative. When he is moving, both are negative, the answer is positive. He's talking about these answers. Okay, the next one, question number, let's start. Here he mentioned something like that. When you multiply two integers, like as I told you before, if both have same sign, like positive and positive or negative and negative, so answer must be positive. If they have different signs, so you must put negative sign. Just remember this thing, that is very short form. Like here he said different signature, so this will have positive, this will have negative, so the answer must be negative. Look at here, the answer must be negative according to this one, different signs. Let's suppose like, yeah, this will have same sign, minus and minus, so we will using the sign that is 40, that is in the form of plus, because these questions are related to multiplications. So as it is same now, but before this, there is a few division question as well. But in division case, that is just for multiplication case. If you have both same signs, okay, so positive, positive or negative, negative, so you must put positive. Same sign has always positive. If you have different sign, so you put negative. Same procedure we are following in multiplication as well as division. Like here, opposite sign, so we put negative. Same sign, we are putting positive. Now let's check these all things. The same question you are solving, I will solve. Let's suppose D part. Here we have plus minus. So plus minus, you know what is this? When you multiply, different signs has negative signs. So we put negative. Minus 10, minus 7. Answer is minus 17. As it is same, minus 30 plus minus, the same thing is happen here. So it's equal to 100. How 100? Plus minus minus. Okay, so here is minus 30 minus 70, so answer is minus minus, that is plus. So what we will do here, so 70 plus 30, that is equal to 100, but we're using the sign that 70 will have. So you can easily, the subtract case is also same. Addition and subtraction are similar. Okay, so let's talk about question number 5, one part for this question. Like here is minus and minus, that is plus. 12 plus 4, that is equal to 16. So as it is same, you can solve all the parts of this question. Now here talk about question number 6. How we'll solve this question number 6? As you know that 3 and minus 5, that is equal to, when we minus this, we will get minus 2. And next one is, yeah, here we have minus 5 and 1. When we minus this, because he is talking about addition questions, so minus 5 plus 1, that is equal to minus 4. Minus 4, 2 and minus 4, minus 6. As it is same, we are solving these two parts as well. Okay, So the last part, let me show you the answers. Here are the answers. You can easily write the answers here. Okay, the in this case, let's suppose if you're confusing how to solve this, like here we have 3, here we have 2. So which number we are writing here? So we will get uh, 3. So here is 2, here is plus 3. So how we will make plus 3? We are writing 1 here then. So what we will do here, I know here I write 1 plus 1, so we will get the answer 3. So if here is 1, so which two numbers you are adding to make it 1, and which two numbers you are adding or subtracting you will make 2. Here is minus 3, so here we put plus 5, then we will get 2. And if here is 5, so here which number, how many, here is minus 4, then you will make 1. Let's check. Yeah, look at here. Here is 5, here is minus 4, then we will make, here is 1. So here is your first lecture. So I hope you understand all these things. So next lecture, okay, we will study in our next class. If you have any question, feel free to ask me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you. Take care. Goodbye.